2013 Lamborghini Aventador LP 704. What is the fastest Lamborghini Aventador LP? The new Lamborghini Aventador LP 704 versions have a V12 supercharged engine that can generate 690 horsepower. The Lamborghini Aventador LP 704's powerful engine enables it to attain a top speed of 217.
Whoa, that's a nice car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Which country buys the most Lamborghini? The United States remained the most important country for Lamborghini, 2,721 cars delivered, up 10% over the previous year, followed by Chinese mainland. Hong Kong and Macau, 1,018 cars delivered, up 9% over the previous year. Germany, 808 cars delivered, up 14% over the previous year. How many Aventador LP 704 are there? Aventador LP 704, 2011 to 2016. The Aventador LP 704 was the first iteration of the Aventador and was designed by Filippo Perini. Production of the Aventador was planned to be limited to 4,000 vehicles. However, in 2016 it achieved the 5,000 unit milestone. Which is faster, Lamborghini or Ferrari? Performance and technical specifications. Performance-wise, Lamborghini's fastest car, the Veneno, has a higher top speed than Ferrari's Enzo due to its more aerodynamic designs. However, regarding acceleration times, Ferrari often takes the lead due to turbocharged engines and superior torque output.
That's a nice car, man. I love your car, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's a very beautiful car. I'm a YouTuber, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm so happy you come, man.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah.
Who owns Lamborghini now? Lamborghini, parent organization. Since that time, ownership of the firm has changed several times. Another financial crisis in the late 1990s saw Lamborghini sold to Volkswagen through its subsidiary Audi AG. The subsidiary remains the owner of Lamborghini today, and it's part of the Volkswagen Group. How much money do you need to buy a Lamborghini Huracan? Lamborghinis are not cheap, regardless of what entry point you choose to join the Raging Bull family. A Lamborghini Huracan, the baby Lambo, costs about $200,000, and that's just for the base trim. Currently, there are 6 variants of the Huracan, and the Huracan Santo, the most potent of the lot, costs $330,000. Why are Lamborghini Huracans so expensive? There are various reasons why Lamborghinis are so expensive. They are made from expensive, high-performance components to start with. In addition, they are relatively uncommon due to their low manufacturing numbers. Lamborghini has a long history of producing some of the best supercars. Why are Is a Lamborghini Huracan a good daily? The Huracan has a comfortable and well-appointed interior, making it a great choice for longer drives. It also has advanced safety features that make it a safe choice for daily driving. How much is a 2015 Lamborghini Huracan? Prices for a used 2015 Lamborghini Huracan currently range from $179,998 to $245,900, with vehicle mileage ranging from 2,880 to 65,066.